You're the star of the night. The day. Oh my gosh, it's disco stick. That's my ringtone. Wait, what am I doing past it? Isn't it over there? Seattle Espresso.
Do we have Starbucks or Seattle? Because Starbucks on the next street.
Oh, Starbucks.
I wanna take a ride on the disco stick. Don't think too much, just bust that stick. I wanna take a ride on the disco stick.
Was it urgent care I used to go to as a child? No. Maybe.
Is that even an urgent care?
Mervin's as a child. It's now Hobby Lobby.
Hello, Hobby Mervin.
I think I can't go this way.
Involves some heavy touching, yeah.
Heavy touching, yeah. Why am I lost every time in my life?
Where are we?
Starbucks up! Starbucks app so I can find Starbucks for me. Okay, I'm gonna flip it around.
Ah!
Bust that what?
What?
What did she say to bust?
Don't bust that click. I don't know. Oh, the Pussycat Dolls.
I like them. I like the button up my button, baby.
Button up your buttons. I want to be more prude and conservative.
I want you to button up my buttons, baby. I don't want you to do nothing to me.
Oh, wait, let's do it again.
I'll get there one day. Yeah. One day.
I'm going